Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So today I'm going to talk about becoming a vendor. And the vendor that I'm going to talk about is Truist. Now, Truist used to be Suntrust, but now they have merged with BBT, and Suntrust have now been Truist. There are hundreds of locations throughout the United States and Canada, and I personally do business with them, so they are great. I try not to talk about becoming a vendor with anyone that I either don't have some type of knowledge or affiliation with, or that I've personally used them. Now, what I love about Truist is there's a lot of locations, and they are looking for people to do their business. That's right. They're looking for cleaning companies, small ones like you, to actually work as either a sub, which most of you will, because a lot of the accounts are actually already taken by prime contractors that are looking desperately for subcontractors. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and follow the step-by-step. Now, one of the questions I get a lot when they're talking about vendors, a lot of these ask specific questions, and then they say they will get back with you. So many of our Facebook tribe members are getting statements back, emails, and all kinds of things that they are ready for them to be vendors. So it definitely is working. I've done CVS, Sam's Club, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Home Depot, Lowe's, the list goes on and on and on. So make sure you look at some of my previous videos if you're interested. Each one has a portal or they have an application. I know CVS has been one of our most popular. We've got a lot of people that are happily working now for CVS. So if you've always wanted to do banks, which a lot of people do, they're easier, they're located near you, make sure you click the link to actually go to and download and enter into the portal. We've got the link actually attached in the description. And also when they ask how many employees you have, sometimes they want to see if you have two things: capital and or human capital, people. So if it's just you, but maybe you have someone that you can get to work with, they may not be an employee, but you can have them become an employee. That may be what they're looking at. So don't be afraid to put what you actually have, but know that you may not get certain positions when it comes to being a vendor with certain types of industries if you have a small crew. No worries. There is always someone that wants one or two people. Happens all the time, because I know that's how I actually started out, but I knew I had access to other people. So make sure you click the link and to actually sign up to become a vendor for Truist. Great, 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 great business. I love doing business with them, and they usually do a lot with when it comes to their vendors / they call them suppliers. So if you want to learn more about being vendors, then all of those things, then you can do several things. You can actually join our Facebook group. The link is in the description, or you can make sure you come to our 6-figure cleaning business fast track program. This workshop, absolutely free. Bring pen and paper. Space is limited. It's going to be Wednesday at noon, and I'm going to give you everything you need to actually win cleaning contracts, the steps, the blueprint. And we have a community of like-minded people that you would love to be around. So don't miss out. Make sure you do that. Look forward to seeing you. Sign up. Space is limited. And until next time, be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.